in computer science, when you are doing things like you have a solid like this meteorite. This is a iron piece of a Campo del Cielo meteorite, and we wanted to compute the volume of this. You don't have to chuck it up into pieces, but we could actually just compute the volume by a surface integral. And that's what the scanner, for example, gives you. It gives you the surface. It doesn't give you the interior. So let's look at that. So let's compute the flux. So in order to do that, we have to parameterize that. And we know how to parameterize that. Phi theta. So that's, we take A sine phi cosine theta, A sine phi sine theta, B. That's B. And then C cosine phi. So we have this parameterization, and then we have already seen that R phi cross R theta, that's something we have already computed. In this case, we get actually, we get the sine phi in each case multiplied by sine phi, that we get BC. So this is BC sine square phi cosine theta, and then we have AC sine square phi sine theta, and then we have AB, and then cosine sine phi cosine phi. So this is a computation we have already done without the ABC, but that's what happens when you multiply with this with ABC. And then what we have to do is we have to integrate from 0 to 2 pi d theta, and then we integrate from 0 to pi d phi, and then we take the vector field, which the vector field is 0, 0, z, right? 0, 0, z. That's x, y, z. So that's 0, 0, that's 0, 0, c cosine phi. Dotted with that, BC sine square phi cosine theta, AC sine square phi sine theta, and AB sine phi cosine phi. So then we have a ABC here. So this is the integral from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, ABC, and then we have sine phi cosine square phi d phi d theta. Now the ABC we can take out, and this integral here is just cosine cubed phi third minus sine from 0 to pi, which is time ABC. Right? So that's equal to ABC times 2 pi third. No, 2/3. 2/3. That's 1, and then minus 1 is 2. So that's the thing. So we get actually ABC 4 pi third, which is the formula for the volume of an ellipsoid. More generally, is more general than when we have a sphere. For a sphere, it's just rho cubed, and A, B, C are the same. This gives you rho cubed. So rho cubed 4 pi third. That is if A equal to B is equal to C is equal to rho. But that's by far the most convenient computation here, using the divergence theorem.